Hello guys, this is Herman. Welcome to my channel. Let's start the tutorial. Take a hue saturation layer and bring the saturation all the way to 0. Increase the lightness. Now let's choose color lookup adjustment layer and select RG Amber preset. Now I will click this layer. Now select hue saturation layer and click on curves. Make sure it's clipped. I am choosing this pencil and drawing the curves. Now I will pick up the tool and I will adjust its curves so that I would get the desired result. As you can see, golden effect starts showing up. Let's adjust it. Let me show you before and after. As you can see, we got the golden shining effect. Now you can adjust the lightness to increase the shine according to yourself. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Please hit the subscribe button in order to get updated for my new videos.